From a static perspective, healthy psychology is a state of mind which displays its normal function within a certain period of time. From a development perspective, health psychology is a relative balance that fluctuates up and down within a certain range, 2 standard deviations within a certain range, 2 standard deviations in order to cope with the ever-changing internal and external environment. Process. If the subject itself, or the internal and external environment, undergoes drastic changes, then this dynamic balance process may be broken, and the psychological activity may deviate far from the healthy norms of group psychology. At this time, psychological activity may become another state and process of relative imbalance. This imbalance has the negative effect on the individual's survival and development and stability of the quality of life. Then, the psychological activity at this time becomes an unhealthy mental state. Healthy mental activity is a psychological process in dynamic equilibrium, which covers all psychological activities that are conducive to the survival and development of the individual and a stable quality of life. Unhealthy mental activity is a psychological process in dynamic imbalance, which covers all deviation normative mental activity that loses regular function. Mental health is in action. In the next issue, we discuss the assessment criteria for mental health.